Lamugee Ranaba. Hi there. Thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time coming across this channel, please don't make it your last. Hit that subscribe button and join our family where we bring you the simplest homemade recipes. As we all know, we are in the month of Ramadan, and today we bring you one of our favorite drink we find on the street during the month of Ramadan. Lamugee or rice drink. We'll be needing 2 cups of rice for this recipe. We'll start off by washing our rice and soaking it for at least 4 hours or overnight.
Many hours later.
We'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, which is optional, 25 grams of ginger, sugar to taste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder or 2 bed eye pepper, 1 cup of tamarind which we soaked. We'll be using the juice later, and then our 2 cups of rice that we soaked earlier. You strain the water from it. Moving on, we'll be blending our rice with our ginger, cloves and chili powder with 2 cups of water. So after blending our rice with the spices, we go ahead and then strain. So I just rinse the blender with more water and add it. So we are going to be straining the juice for the second time. This time we are adding cheesecloth to the strainer. Mind you, we need our juice as smooth as possible, so don't be scared to add more water to help in straining. Swoosh all the aroma from the ginger, from the cloves. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste this. So we remove the seeds from the soaked tamarind, and then we strain the juice and added it to our rice juice. Time to add our vanilla essence. Yeah, we are bougie like that, even though it's optional. And then we go ahead and add our sugar. The quantity of sugar you add depends on the amount of juice you are able to extract, and then to your taste and preference. Don't go and add too much sugar. Oh, mind you, diabetes is real. Rice juice or Lamugee tastes better when it's chilled. I'll be refrigerating the others, but then I have to taste it. For all the hard work there, I have to ibab. So I'm adding ice cubes to the one I'm going to taste. Even Amelia does same. Who am I not to? Now guys, let me ask you one question. After watching all this video to this point and you still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that red button there. It's free. Oh. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know when you try this at home. For all the ingredients used in this video, please check the description box below.